Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to reset the maintenance light on your Lexus ES 350. This light typically illuminates after about 5,000 miles, reminding you that routine service, like an oil change, is due. Before we begin, make sure your vehicle's engine is completely off. You will need to locate the small odometer trip reset button, usually near your speedometer. Ensure your multi-information display is showing trip before proceeding to the next step. Now let's initiate the reset. With the engine off, firmly press and hold the odometer trip reset button. While still holding it, push your engine start button twice, but do not press the brake pedal. This puts the vehicle into accessory mode. You will see a series of dashes or zeros flashing on the display. Continue holding the button for approximately 10 seconds until the maintenance light blinks and then goes out completely. Once the maintenance light disappears, you can release the odometer button. Turn your ignition off, then restart the vehicle to confirm the light remains off. For some newer Lexus ES 350 models, the reset process is digital. You'll use the steering wheel controls to navigate to the settings menu on your display. From there, select Vehicle Settings, then choose Scheduled Maintenance or Oil Maintenance and confirm the reset. Remember, resetting this light is not a substitute for actual vehicle maintenance. It's crucial to perform regular service, such as oil changes every 5,000 miles, to ensure your Lexus ES 350 runs safely and efficiently for many years. Always refer to your owner's manual for the most accurate and specific instructions for your particular model. If the light reappears or persists, it's best to consult a certified technician.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.